Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Let's address that body roll and get your ride back on track. Enhances driving comfort. Excessive body roll can cause the car to feel unstable and uncomfortable, especially when navigating curves or rough terrain. By addressing these issues, you can enjoy a smoother and more comfortable driving experience, ensuring that every ride is both safe and pleasant. Improves overall vehicle performance. Body roll is not just a comfort or safety issue, it also affects the overall performance of your vehicle. By addressing body roll problems, you can enhance the agility, responsiveness, and efficiency of your car, making it more enjoyable to drive while maximizing its capabilities on the road. Addressing body roll issues is vital for ensuring safety, preserving tire health, enhancing driving comfort, and optimizing the performance of your vehicle. By taking proactive steps to resolve these issues, you can enjoy a safer, smoother, and more efficient driving experience. Inspection process for excessive body roll. It's crucial to conduct a thorough inspection to identify the root cause of excessive body roll in your car. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to inspect your vehicle for this issue. Visual examination of suspension components. Start by visually inspecting all the suspension components. Check for any signs of damage, wear, or corrosion on the springs, struts, and control arms. Look out for any leaks on the shock absorbers or signs of misalignment in the suspension system. Testing the shock absorbers. To test the shock absorbers, apply pressure to each corner of the vehicle and release. The car should bounce back once and settle. If it continues to bounce or feels unstable, it could indicate worn-out shock absorbers that need replacement. Checking for sway bar issues. Inspect the sway bars for any signs of damage or looseness. The sway bar helps to stabilize the vehicle during turns and minimizes body roll. If the sway bar is bent, broken, or disconnected, it can lead to excessive body roll and affect the handling of the car. Examining the bushings. Inspect the bushings for wear or damage. These rubber components play a crucial role in cushioning the suspension system and reducing vibrations. If the bushings are worn out or cracked, they can lead to increased body roll and impact the overall stability of the vehicle. By following these steps and thoroughly inspecting your car's suspension components, shock absorbers, sway bars, and bushings, you can pinpoint the underlying issues causing excessive body roll and take appropriate measures to address them. Possible solutions for excessive body roll. When faced with excessive body roll in your car, there are several possible solutions to consider, each aimed at improving the stability and handling of your vehicle. Here are some effective strategies to address this issue. Upgrading suspension components. One solution to combat excessive body roll is to upgrade your car's suspension components. This involves replacing stock suspension parts with higher quality, performance-oriented components. By installing stiffer springs, shocks, or struts designed to reduce body lean during cornering, you can significantly enhance your vehicle's overall stability and control. Installation of performance sway bars. Another effective way to minimize body roll is by installing performance sway bars, also known as anti-roll bars. These bars are designed to connect the suspension on each side of the vehicle to reduce body lean when turning. By upgrading to thicker or adjustable sway bars, you can improve your car's resistance to body roll and enhance its cornering capabilities. Replacing worn bushings. Worn out or deteriorated bushings can contribute to excessive body roll by allowing excessive movement of suspension components. By replacing worn bushings with new, firmer ones, you can restore the proper alignment and stability of your car's suspension system. This simple yet crucial maintenance task can help reduce body roll and improve your overall driving experience. By considering these solutions and taking proactive steps to address excessive body roll, you can enhance your car's handling, performance, and safety on the road. Remember to consult with a qualified mechanic or automotive specialist to determine the best course of action based on your specific vehicle and driving needs. Car body roll is often a concerning issue that many drivers face, impacting both the comfort and safety of the vehicle. By conducting a thorough inspection of the suspension components, such as the sway bars, struts, and bushings, you can identify and address the underlying causes of excessive body roll. Remember, regular maintenance and prompt repairs play a crucial role in ensuring your vehicle performs optimally on the road. Stay informed for smooth rides ahead. Being proactive about monitoring your car's suspension system can prevent unexpected issues and keep you and your passengers safe. By staying informed about the signs of excessive body roll and taking quick action when needed, you can enjoy smoother rides and peace of mind behind the wheel. Trust your mechanic and prioritize safety. If you notice persistent body roll or unusual handling behaviors in your car, don't hesitate to consult a qualified mechanic for a professional inspection. Safety should always be a top priority when it comes to vehicle maintenance, so trust the expertise of professionals to address any concerns promptly and effectively. Embrace smooth and stable driving experience. Addressing excessive body roll not only enhances the stability and control of your vehicle but also contributes to a more enjoyable driving experience. Embrace the confidence that comes with a car that handles smoothly on the road, and don't overlook the significance of maintaining your suspension system for long-term performance and safety benefits. Thanks for joining us in part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.